In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add onboarding candidates in Zoho People. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you open Zoho People all the way to submitting a new candidate's information, so you can manage your hiring and onboarding smoothly and consistently. Start by opening Zoho People in your web browser and signing in with your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see the usual home view with your widgets, menus, and any pending tasks. This is your central workspace in Zoho People, and from here, we're going to move into the onboarding section. Look towards the navigation menu and find the option for onboarding. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the main menu on the left or within a top navigation bar. Click on the onboarding option. This takes you to the area specifically designed to help you manage new hires, offers, and all the related details before they become full employees. Within the onboarding section, you should now see a candidate list view or a page that focuses on candidates. Here you'll find a button or link labeled Add Candidate. Go ahead and click on Add Candidate. This opens a form where you can enter all the information needed to start onboarding a new person into your organization. Now, carefully fill in the candidate's details. This usually includes their basic personal information such as their full name, email address, and contact details, along with job-related information like the position they're being hired for, their department, location, and start date. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate. If your organization has customized fields, you might also see sections for things like employee type, reporting manager, or any internal reference notes. Only fill in what is required and what is relevant to your process, and double check for spelling or typing errors, especially in the email address, since this is often used for sending onboarding documents and communication. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're confident it's correct, scroll to the bottom of the form and click on Submit. After you submit, Zoho People will create the candidate record and add it to your onboarding list. From there, your standard onboarding workflow can continue, whether that includes sending offer letters, sharing documents, or assigning tasks to different teams. And that's all you